Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be comparing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and its predecessor, the Galaxy Watch Classic. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. When it comes to aesthetics, both watches boast Samsung's signature sleek design, but the Galaxy Watch Classic introduces a touch of nostalgia with its rotating bezel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 6 leans towards a more modern, streamlined look. It all depends on your liking. Display-wise, both watches bring stunning AMOLED screens, but the Galaxy Watch 6 edges ahead with its slightly larger and brighter display. Whether you're checking notifications or tracking your fitness, a vibrant screen can make all the difference. In terms of features, the Galaxy Watch 6 packs some new tricks like blood oxygen monitoring and enhanced fitness tracking. However, the Galaxy Watch Classic still holds its ground with a robust set of features. Battery life is crucial for any smartwatch user. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Classic offer respectable endurance, but the Classic tends to have a slight edge. Last but not least, the price point. The Galaxy Watch 6 often comes with a higher price tag, thanks to its newer features. In the end, both the Galaxy Watch 6 and Classic are fantastic smartwatches, each with its strengths. The choice boils down to your priorities, whether you crave the latest features or prefer a more timeless design. Which side are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below.